Hello everyone. Today's topic is the noise pollution. Noise pollution is the presence of unwanted of harmful sound in the environment, typically for sources like traffic, construction, industrial machineries, and urban activities. These types of pollution can have serious consequences for human health, wildlife, and ecosystems. Causes of noise pollution: transportation, cars, buses, train, aeroplanes, and the ship create a significant amount of the noise, especially in urban areas. Then second, construction activities involving heavy machineries and tools produce loud, loud, loud sounds that can disturb near, nearby residences. Then third, industrial activities, uh, factories and industries often generate continuous noise for the machineries, impact to the workers and surrounding area. Then fourth, urbanization, city life, crowd, stresses, social activities, and dense lead housing lead the highest higher noise level. And then fifth, houses hold services, applications, music, and other home activities also contribute to emanated noise. Effect of noise pollution. Then first, health issues. uh, prolonged expose can lead to stress, hypertension, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, in the increased risk of the cardiovascular disease. Then second, impact of wildlife. Animal rely on sound for communication, hunting, and navigation. Noise pollution can uh, disturb their behavior species. Then third, reduce quality of life. Uh, constant constant noise can reduce the ability to relax, and affecting of the mental while beginning and the productivity. Then fourth, sleep disturbance. uh, Excessive noise can uh, interfere with sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and reduce cognitive performance. Cognitive performance. Solutions of noise pollution: urban planning, building sounds barriers, planting trees, and zoning industrial areas areas away from residential areas can help reduce noise. Then second, legislations in enforcing noise regulations and the setting noise level limited for different zone. Use of technology, sound profiling materials, and the cuter mechanical machinery can reduce the noise at the source. Thank you, friends.